Hi everyone, this is Cathleen de Ontiveros, and welcome to my new studio space. I have not unpacked yet. We haven't put curtains up or anything. I have lots of unboxing videos to do to show you the new inventory that's come in. But today we're gonna look at what just showed up on my porch, an order from Mary Maxim yarns. I ordered this online for the first time from her. So let's take a look. So we've got, these are 1 pound mill end bags. They were on sale for $4.99 per 1 pound of yarn, which is a really good deal. And I had a free shipping code. So that made it really reasonable for me. I am in the middle of working on, let's see if I can show this to you, these caplets. And this one has the all-seeing eye motif on it. And I'm also making a bunch of tote bags. This one will have sunflower motifs and leaves on it. And they use a lot of yarn. So I needed a really good deal to be able to make these affordable to make and to sell. So let's see what's in the first bag. We have this really pretty baby mint green yarn. Oh, and it's really soft. I like that. It reminds me of the Lion brand Pound of Love yarn. But there's no labels on these. You just get what you get. You don't know the content of what the fiber is or what brand or anything. But that's okay. So this one was mint green. And then we have a pound of this really pretty, soft baby pink color. I like that a lot. Heathered gray. Oh, there were 2 heathered grays. And they tell you that you might get duplicates if you order more than one. And that's okay. I'll use all of it. I need lots of yarn. This is a really pretty kind of medium royal blue, almost heather color. And the last one for this first box is, oh, I thought it was black. It's a really deep charcoal, heathered charcoal gray color. Let me move the box. Move on to the second set. Yay, white yarn. I never have enough white yarn, and we're making all of these eyeballs right now to go on different projects. So I needed lots of white yarn, so that makes me very happy. Baby blue, yay, I got 2 of those. I did not have any baby blue. And I like that they're these jumbo skeins, so I don't have to tie a million knots when I'm working on my projects. And this is like a medium colonial blue, I guess is what we would call it. Oh, and there were 2 of those. And that's okay. I'm fine with repeats. And we have a beige. I'm not a fan of beige yarn, but I will find something to make with it. Leave in the comments below, what do you think I should make with beige yarn? Oh, and here is like a cream color yarn. I like this color. This is nice. Okay, so that was Mary Maxim online for the yarn. And these were the mill ends, the 1 pound mill end bags. Check it out. See if there's something that you get different than mine. Leave me a comment if you do. So we're gonna wrap this video up for now, and I will see you again soon. Much love. Happy crocheting, happy crafting. Talk to you guys later. Bye.